What is going on, guys? So we got the factory edition CRF450 2021. Picked this up 2 days ago, I want to say. I rode it for the first time today, and honestly, dude, this bike is sick. You got your different map switches up here. So you click this, you get 1 flash for stock, 2 flashes for low power, and then 3 flashes for aggressive. Then you got your traction control button right here. You get 1 flash for minimum traction control, 2 flashes for medium traction control, and 3 flashes for a lot of traction control. And honestly, you do notice a difference in it. The bike won't rip out your hands. It won't kick out from underneath you when you're coming out of turns. It really does make a difference. But yeah, I just got this bike 2 days ago. First time riding it today. And honestly, I loved it. It does still have the slight bog on the low end of the motor, on the mapping. It has a slight bog. It's not that bad. It just, you notice it once or twice. The bike might shut off once or twice. Just, it depends on, you know, if you're not giving it any gas, it will shut off. I mean, it doesn't do it every time. It only does it the 1 or 2 times whenever it decides to, you know, do that little bog. But other than that, everything else 100% love. Suspension is absolutely unbelievable on it. Power is great, sounds great. I mean, this thing is just, it is a work of art right there. New frame, new shape, it's all perfect. I mean, I absolutely love it. RWE. So yeah, guys, I'll put some riding clips in and let you guys see how today went. Nothing crazy. We didn't go to the track or anything, so it's just some basic little riding clips. I'm gonna probably go to the track next week, hopefully. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I haven't seen any videos on it. I think this might be the first one. But also, one thing I haven't seen is people haven't shown you how you take the air filter off. All you do is you take this bolt out, and then the air filter cover will slide off like this, or actually, yeah, it will slide off backwards, and it clips in right here. It just slips in, and then it just slips in here, and you put the bolt in. Super easy. Same thing with the seat. Just take the 2 bolts out, and the seat pushes forwards, and then the seat will come off. Super easy. It's one thing I've been looking for in videos that I haven't seen, is the air filter. But yeah, it's, other than that, absolutely love the bike. Absolutely amazing bike. So definitely, if you're gonna get one, get one. This thing is unbelievable. Love it.